What is a vegan diet? Simply put, it's a dietary choice that excludes all animal products. This means saying goodbye to meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, eggs, and even honey. But fear not. A vegan diet isn't just about what you can't eat. It opens up a world of delicious possibilities with an abundance of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. By focusing on plant-based foods as the foundation of your meals and snacks, you're fueling your body with essential vitamins and minerals while reducing your intake of saturated fats and cholesterol, two major culprits behind heart disease. Plant-based diets are also typically higher in fiber, which helps to regulate blood pressure levels. The benefits of a vegan diet for heart health. Welcome to our video, where we're diving deep into the world of heart health and the incredible benefits that a vegan diet can offer. Whether you're a long-time plant-based enthusiast or just starting to explore this nutritious lifestyle, you're in for an informative and exciting ride. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind how a vegan diet can do wonders for your heart health. So grab a cup of herbal tea and get ready to discover why going green is not only good for the planet but also great for your ticker. How does a vegan diet benefit heart health? A vegan diet, which excludes all animal products, has been shown to have numerous benefits for heart health. By focusing on plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts and seeds, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of developing heart disease. One way in which a vegan diet promotes heart health is by reducing cholesterol levels. Animal products are high in saturated fat and dietary cholesterol, both of which contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Plant-based foods are naturally low in these harmful substances and instead provide essential nutrients like fiber that help lower cholesterol levels. Additionally, a vegan diet is rich in antioxidants and beneficial compounds known as phytochemicals. These powerful substances help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation that can damage the blood vessels and increase the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, a vegan diet tends to be lower in unhealthy fats and higher in healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. This balance of fats helps improve blood vessel function. And reduces the risk of blood clots or blockages. Moreover, studies have consistently shown that adopting a vegan lifestyle leads to weight loss or maintaining a healthy weight. Obesity is a major risk factor for cardiovascular diseases, so shedding excess pounds through a plant-based diet can greatly benefit heart health. Research and studies supporting the benefits of a vegan diet for heart health. Research and studies have consistently shown that adopting a vegan diet can be highly beneficial for heart health. Numerous scientific investigations have found a strong link between plant-based eating and reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases, including heart disease, high blood pressure, and strokes. One study conducted by the American Heart Association analyzed data from over 12,000 adults and concluded that those who followed a vegan or vegetarian diet had a significantly lower risk of developing heart disease compared to their meat-eating counterparts. Another long-term research project called the Adventist Health Study 2 showed that vegans had approximately half the risk of developing hypertension compared to non-vegans. Furthermore, plant-based diets have been proven effective in lowering cholesterol levels. A review published in the Journal of Nutritional Science found that consuming plant sterols, found abundantly in fruits, vegetables, legumes, can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels by up to 10%. Lowering LDL cholesterol is crucial for reducing the risk of plaque buildup in arteries. In addition to these benefits, incorporating more whole grains, nuts, seeds, legumes into your diet can enhance your heart health even further. These foods are rich sources of fiber which aids in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels as well as regulating blood pressure. Extensive research suggests that embracing a vegan diet can lead to improved heart health due to its ability to lower cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of hypertension and promote overall cardiovascular wellness. So why not make some positive changes today by adding more plant-based meals into your daily routine? Your heart will thank you. Tips for transitioning to a vegan diet. Transitioning to a vegan diet can be an exciting and transformative journey for your health and the planet. While it may seem challenging at first, with the right tips and guidance, you can make the transition smoothly. Here are some helpful tips to support you on your path towards a vegan lifestyle. 1. Educate yourself. Start by learning about plant-based nutrition and understanding why you want to adopt a vegan diet. This knowledge will help motivate you during the transition. 2. Take it slow. Transitioning doesn't have to happen overnight. Begin by incorporating more plant-based meals into your weekly routine while gradually reducing animal products. 3. Experiment with recipes. Explore new recipes that use whole grains, legumes, fruits, vegetables, and plant-based proteins like tofu or tempeh. Get creative in the kitchen. There are countless vegan options available. 4. Find vegan alternatives. Discover delicious substitutes for dairy milk, such as almond or oat milk, cheese alternatives made from nuts or soy, and meat replacements like seitan or jackfruit. 5. Stock up on staples. Keep your pantry stocked with essential items like lentils, quinoa, canned beans, nutritional yeast, for added flavor, spices, herbs, and various fruits and vegetables to ensure you always have ingredients for quick meals. Conclusion: the importance of caring for our hearts through proper nutrition and lifestyle choices. Ensuring the health of our hearts is crucial for overall well-being, and adopting a vegan diet can be a powerful step towards achieving this goal. By eliminating animal products from our meals and focusing on plant-based foods, we can reap numerous benefits for heart health. A vegan diet is naturally low in saturated fats and cholesterol, which are commonly found in meat and dairy products. High levels of saturated fat can lead to an increase in LDL, bad cholesterol levels, which may contribute to the development of heart disease. By choosing plant-based alternatives that are rich in nutrients and fiber, we can promote healthy cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues. Research has consistently supported the positive impact of a vegan diet on heart health. Studies have shown that vegans tend to have lower blood pressure, reduced body mass index, BMI, lower rates of obesity, improved insulin sensitivity, and decreased risk factors for developing coronary artery disease. Transitioning to a vegan lifestyle may seem daunting at first, but with some helpful tips it becomes much easier. Gradually incorporating more fruits. Vegetables. Whole grains. Legumes. And plant-based protein sources into your meals will allow you to experience the benefits while still enjoying delicious food. To get started on your vegan journey or add variety to your current menu, here are some mouth-watering recipes. 1. Vegan lentil curry. Heat oil in a pan. Add onions, garlic and ginger. Mix spices like turmeric and cumin powder. Add lentils and vegetable broth. Simmer until lentils are tender. Serve with rice or naan bread. Three. Creamy avocado.